It's about time that I do what I'm going to do tonight, which is off-road this beast, this Bronco, correctly. Alright, I just saw the guys ahead of me. I'm going right past the halfway house right now. There's been so many videos made there, commercials and movies and all kinds of stuff. The very famous Cindy Crawford, I want to say it was Pepsi commercial, was shot there. Anyway, I saw the guys up here. I don't have a front-facing camera. Look at this light back here. It looks like a halo. Let me try to get it. We are at Roller Flats, and this is an off-road area. So we've got a few guys here. I will introduce them in a little bit. They have air, so they can air me back up. Before I wasn't able to air down quite as far. We're gonna get this down to like maybe 20. I think I'll maybe start at 25 and see what it feels like. If I run into any trouble, just air down more. You don't want to get it where you break the bead, tire falls off the rim. That's not good. I think we'll be fine. So this is going to be great. We're waiting for a couple more people, and then we're going to do this. I got a video camera here mounted, one on the interior, maybe something in the back. I'm not sure yet. So you can see the difference in the stock Bronco lights and the RTR lights. You can see these little crests right there. I think it's cool. And those lights are on the running lights, by the way. The Project X ones on top. When you kick those on, man, woo! In fact, I'll turn them on now. Okay, so basically you can't look at them with the camera. So guess who we added to the mix now? It's Brandon now.
Hey, what's going on?
Remember?
We're ready to go.
Yeah, oh,
Let's
it's dark right here. Ooh, I'm gonna need some light.
Hey.
Do you mind being on camera?
Absolutely, let's do this. I'm looking forward to this.
All right, cool. Whoa, we got it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, scary moon up there. I am 100% ready to do this. I know these lights have got to make me look really white. I'm almost green. Well, I'm wearing a lot of green. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I don't know if you can see me at all. Whoa! I think we got like 6 vehicles. I was just warned about that dip. So we all have radios so that we can communicate, which is awesome. So far, these tires feel pretty good. I'm only at 25. I've only aired down to 25. And I really feel like maybe 20 would be the way to go. But I could potentially just drive home like this. Although one guy does have air. He has air tanks and he's willing to use it. So I might take him up on that. Yeah, baby. All right, that was like a friggin' crazy hill. I loved it. We're high up, man. It's like, wow. This thing is so capable, it's insane.
As if you make it out alive.
Yeah.
Alright, so Brenda, you go first. Over. And then I'll let Ricky go like 2 minutes behind you. We'll stage 2 minutes apart. Have fun, Ricky.
Alright, see ya.
Okay guys, we made it down the mountain. We made the whole trail. I don't think anybody suffered any damage that I'm aware of in mine. I think I'm good. Everybody looks good.
Our buddy did a great job.
Dude, it was awesome,
Hey, it was awesome.
huh? Look at us, we look like Blair Witch Project.
We had a great time. We finally finished. Have a great time. Be safe. Keep Rockett alive.